In this video, I want to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and also the Air model. So every time you want to take a screenshot, let's say I'm over here, I want to take a screenshot of this, you're gonna tap the volume up button and the power button both at the same time. Let's do it. Okay, a quick tap and the screenshot has been taken. Now you have multiple options. You can resize the screenshot. Let's say you just want to show people these two folders, so you can resize so only that part is saved. You can go back at any times, by the way. If you check on the top over here, you have a pen. If you press on it, you'll be able obviously to make some annotations. So let's say you want to circle something. Now obviously this is in black, so let me change the color in almost white over here. You can circle, you can put annotation on your screenshot. And if you want to save this, well, you simply have to press the check mark over here and click on save to photo, save to files, or copy and delete. This is great if you want, let's say, to send it in a messaging app. You can press copy and delete. So this is not saved in the memory of your phone. You simply have to go into the chat with the other person, click paste, and you'll send it this way. You can click the X button here and it will exit the screenshot. This has not been saved since I didn't click the save button. I simply exit. One interesting thing you can do with the screenshot thing is, let me take one over here. You can highlight anything, okay, on your screenshot. Let's say this. Go down over here, press continue. And it will search on Google whatever you have highlighted there to inform you. So this could be useful at certain points, I guess. Anyway, you also have this icon. Okay, it's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you press on that, you'll be able to share the screenshot directly in certain apps or with your favorite contacts. You're going to see your contacts here. Copy or also print the screenshot directly. Again, if you simply want to save it in the camera roll, you can click the check mark, save to photo, and it will be saved over here, you see, in my camera roll. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.